Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's tutorial is based on how to sign up into your online banking account or PNC. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up into your online banking account. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and also follow the instruction correctly. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll have to type in the link, that is www.pnc.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. On the other page, you will be directed into official site, and on this following page in the top right corner, tap on sign on. So as you tap on it, there's a drop down menu. So over here you have a login interface. In order to sign up into online banking account, all you have to do is tap on enroll in online banking, which is in the bottom right corner. On the other page, you will be directed into enrollment page, and over here you'll have to verify your identity. So first of all, you'll have to select the method in which way you want to verify your identity. So you can see there are a list of options, so you can tap on any one of the following option. As is selected, accordingly you'll have to enter the information as asked. So next you'll have to enter your account number. So once again you'll have to verify your information. So you can see there are multiple options, so select on any one of the following option. So as you tap on it, similarly you'll have to provide the information that is asked. And after you're done entering all your information, make sure to review it once again and then tap on next, which is right at the bottom. As you tap on next, and if the provided information is correct, on the other page you get to create profile ID, which includes your username and your password. So once you're done creating your profile ID, on the other page you will automatically sign up into your online banking account or PNC. So that is how you can sign up into your online banking account or PNC. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.